In this video, we're going to dive deep into the account settings and show you how to make the most out of your Rapyd account. This is going to be a straightforward tutorial, so let's begin. If you click this profile icon on the upper right of the screen, you will have three options here: Edit Account, Security, and Logout. If you click Edit Account, you will be redirected to your account details page. Here, you have the option to upload your account photo. Then, you can proceed with filling out the forms here with your name, phone number, and organization name. The next section is for your billing address, which will be shown on your purchase invoice. Note that you will only see the billing address if you are an account owner. And lastly, the Preferences section. This is where you can select a time zone and language that will display throughout your Rapyd dashboard. You can also select which team to log into by default from this drop-down. If you are a member of multiple teams, you will also be able to select which team to log into by default from this section. You can set it to most recent or a specific team you have access to, so you don't have to switch every time you log in. Once done, click Save Changes. Below that account form is your account ID, which you might be asked to provide when interacting with customer support. This is for the support team to verify your account and to be able to provide you with excellent customer service. And if for some reason you wish to delete your account, you have the option here. When you click on Delete Account, a pop-up will appear, informing you that everything in your account will be deleted and can no longer be recovered after confirmation. The next tab under Account is Security. You can also get here by clicking Security under your Profile drop-down menu. Here, you can view the email address associated with this account and the option to reset your password. If you ever need to change your email address, please contact our support team so we can assist you. The reason for this is that your email address is connected to our billing platform. The final tab is for pending invites. If you have been invited to join a team, it will show here with the options to accept or reject it. Upon accepting the invitation to join the team, you can navigate to the Sites tab to view the sites that are now accessible to you. We have a separate tutorial about teams and how to invite someone to join your team, so please watch that video if you haven't already. And there you have it, a concise and comprehensive tutorial on managing account details, resetting passwords, and handling invitations within the Rapyd dashboard.